Hey, it's your man Daryl again with a quick review of my $20 travel business compensation plan. If you heard or never heard of my $20 travel business, you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video because it's something you don't want to miss. But before we begin, if this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button below and like this video so that you don't miss out on anything that I put out pertaining to how to make money online. Also, please share this video. Now with that said, let's get to the meat. Here's the breakdown of my $20 travel business compensation plan. Did you know that there are 3 top ways to earn with my $20 travel business? First, there's the Fast Start bonus, where you earn a 50% referral bonus on each and every member you personally refer to my $20 travel business. For each gold member you refer, you earn $10, and for each platinum member you refer, you earn a whopping $50, and that's paid out on a weekly basis. Then secondly, there's the monthly residuals, where you will earn a 25% on each membership that falls into your group, whether you refer them or not. Again, each member you refer or your referrals refer members, you earn 25% down 10 levels deep, put you in position to earn thousands of dollars per month residually. Now, it gets even better. The third way to earn with my $20 travel business, and is the best way in my opinion, is through the coded bonus. And this is how it works. When you refer your third, fourth, or fifth person, they are coded to you. Remember, coded. That's the key word, coded to you. Not only do you earn a Fast Start bonus of $10 or $50 when you refer them, but you begin to earn matching bonus for each and every one that comes into that group, putting you in position to earn thousands more in coded bonuses. Let me share with you how significant this is. And listen carefully. You may want to rewind this part a few times until you get it. I know I had to. But it's important that you understand that this part of the compensation is very, very important. For example, let's say that my brother Michael is my third person that I referred to my $20 travel business as a platinum. I earn $50 for a Fast Start bonus. Then when Michael refers his 2 members, let's say his wife Velma and their son Dwayne, both as platinum members, he earns $50 for each one of them for a total of $100 Fast Start bonus. And because they're my coded leg, I'll earn a $100 matching bonus as well. So now let's go one more level. Velma introduces and refers her brother Bruce as a gold member, and Dwayne refers his wife Vicky as a platinum member. Velma earns $10 and Dwayne earns $50. And guess what? I get a matching bonus of $60 as well. Now this goes on, and as Bruce and Vicky bring in their new members, they will earn, and whatever they earn, I will get a matching bonus. And this goes on and on and on to infinity. Now you can see the potential of how you can start earning a few $1,000s per month, all for just $20 per month. Can you say ka-ching? Hey, that wraps up this my $20 travel business compensation plan video. If you like what you see, click the link below to join. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them. Call me or text me at 484-542-5096. Until next time, peace.